Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful woolen wall hanging using simple materials. This is perfect for home decoration, festival decor or even a handmade gift. Look at this design. It's simple, colorful and very elegant. Even beginners can easily try this. Let's get started. First, let's see the materials required. We need woolen two colors. I am using green and red. Ice cream sticks, white beads, scissors, glue or hot glue, needle. That's it. Very basic items. Now let's start making the base. Take one ice cream stick. Wrap the green color wool around all 4 ice cream sticks. Make sure you cover it neatly so that no ice cream stick is visible. Take your time here. A neat border gives a very clean final look. Take 4 ice cream sticks and arrange the square shape. Later we can place it like a diamond. Now start join the ice cream sticks slowly. I am using hot glue here. You can use Fevicol also. Feviquick, Fevicol, any glue you can use. I am using hot glue. One by one slowly we can stick it properly. Now we get square shape. Once the frame is ready, we will create the inner design. Take red wool and start making crisscross lines from one side to another. Then repeat the opposite direction to create a neat or mesh pattern. This step is very important because it gives the main design of the wall hanging. Make sure the lines are evenly spaced and slightly tight. Now, once the net design is complete, we will decorate the corners. Take red wool and make small round flowers. You can do this by wrapping wool around your finger or pen and tying it in the center. Fix one flower one each corner of the square using glue. To make it more beautiful, place a small white bead in the center of each flower. This gives a very nice traditional look. Fix one flower on each corner of the square using glue. Next, we will create the hanging tassels. Take green wool and cut even length strands. Tie them together at one end of the form tassels. I will share the links for all materials like woolen, hot glue, scissor, etc. below. If you purchase using these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps support my channel and lets me create more videos like this. Thank you so much for your support. Now add white beads in a straight and attach them between the frame and tassels. Repeat this for 4 or 5 plus depending on how full you want it to look. My channel is all about my favorite art and craft. This is my creative crafts, DIY, wall decor, home decor, paper craft, best out of waste, woolen craft, Diwali decorations, Ugadi decorations. Attach these tassels to one side of the frame. Make sure they are evenly spaced for a balanced design. Now your wall hanging is almost ready. Check all sides and trim it any extra threads. Adjust the tassels and make sure everything looks neat. I would like to share my passion with all of you using this YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Let's build a beautiful world together. A new video will be published every Thursday at 6 pm and every Sunday at 6 pm. Finally, add a thread or loop on the top so you can hang it on the wall. And that's it. Your beautiful wall hanging is ready. This looks amazing on walls, doors, or even as a festival decoration. You can also try different colors combinations like yellow and orange, blue and white, or any colors you like. Woolen wall hangings are decorative textile art pieces, often handmade using techniques like weaving or pom-pom making. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.